Now, this is our first stop, Central Park West. And on this avenue, you must rent your apartment. I mean, you must buy them. You can't rent them. You must buy your apartments. I only know of one man that's allowed to rent an apartment here.
That's what I want for Global
so
Impact next year.
You see this white building coming up right here? A-Rod Rodriguez of the New York Yankees. So you're wearing a New York Yankee hat. Well, then pay attention. I'll show you. No, this building, Rodriguez, right here. You know what he pays for a two-bedroom apartment? $20,000 a month.
Oh my goodness.
He can afford it. But you know why he's here? Because in the next building, there's Madonna. They used to go together. They broke up, you know, because he got too old for her. He's 34 years old. Much too old for Madonna. She's 50. He's 34. They broke up. Where are the people from Brazil? Well, she now has a 23-year-old boyfriend from Brazil. A lot of people in New York, I don't call him that, but a lot of people call him a boy toy. That's Madonna's boy toy. Our next stop is a Metropolitan Opera House and Lincoln Center. Now straight ahead is Lincoln Center for the Performing Arts. If you look straight ahead, that is ballet. When we go a little further to your right, you'll see the famous Metropolitan Opera House, and then